how to change themes on YouTube. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So in this video we are going to see how you can change the theme to dark theme on YouTube. So it is really easy and simple to do. So for that you just need to update YouTube to its latest version by going on Play Store or Apple Store. After that, just click on YouTube, and here you will be on this home feed. After that, just click on this icon and click on setting. After doing all this, then you can easily see a general option top here. Just click here, and after that you will see appearance option. Click on appearance, and here you can select whatever you want. I want dark, so here is the dark. So why we use this? We usually use this for feeling good. Sometimes we use it at night, so we want it to theme like black. So this is how it can look if you want it black. So I don't like it in black, so I want it again to go back to white. So choose device theme. So this is how you can change the themes on YouTube. Hope this video will help you to understand. If it does, like the video, subscribe the channel. We'll meet at TechinZain in next video. Goodbye.